Let's go!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Chipped Ice. Today I'm going to be breaking open a 21-22 Upper Deck Stature hobby box. I recently opened a 22-23 Stature hobby box. Really enjoyed it. It was my first one, so I thought I'd come back and give another whirl. 8 cards per pack. 1 pack per box. 16 boxes in a case. And the set size is 200 with 100 vets and 100 rookies. And the release date is August 16th, 2023. All right, and here we go. Pavel Buchnevich is having a decent year with the St. Louis Blues this year. A little off his pace from the last few years, however. Matthew Tkachuk, base card. He is way off the pace in his sophomore season with the Panthers. As a Flames fan, that brings me tremendous amounts of joy, I would say. Nico Dawes, rookie card, number 288 out of 399. Might get a couple bucks for something like that. And the legend, Bernie Nichols. Legendary Heights green, numbered 115 to 125. Might be worth $4 or $5 there. What a lot of younger fans might not realize is Bernie Nichols actually had a 70-goal season, 150 points. He finished his career with well over 1,200 points. Not bad for a fourth rounder. William Karlsson, green parallel, numbered 9 to 149. Stanley Cup champion. And good old Theo Fleury, blue parallel, numbered 20 of 35. That could be worth around $10. What a legend this guy was. He had to fight for every inch ice, and man, did he ever fight. Stanley Cup champion, too. Connor Hellebuck, Gravitas. These are the basic ones here. I think there's 25 in the set. Odds are 1 in 4. Really appreciate it if you could consider subscribing to the channel or throwing down a like. It goes a long way in building up the channel. Thanks so much. Oh, will you look at that? Very nice. We've got a Roope Hintz autograph parallel green, 16 of 50. It's a great card. He's having a great year this year. I think he's on a point-a-game pace right now. Well, that, my friends, is a wrap. Thanks for watching.